Hey class, welcome. This is a screencast for DocsTeach. DocsTeach is a really useful website for social studies, and I can see myself using it for a geography class, a history class especially, and even a political science class in the future. It's a free service from the National Archives, and they have just put together thousands and thousands of photos, letters, government documents, just anything that they have come into possession of. They've uploaded it to this site and made it really easy for teachers and students to find. Um, if we just go to the home menu and you go to documents, you'll get an idea of what I mean. Let's say we click on the Civil War here, which it's really nice because they have, I'll go back a little bit, but they've sorted things. So you have a category like Revolution in the New Nation, all the way down to contemporary times, our times, 9/11, as you can see, 1968 to the present. I'm just going to click on the Civil War just to give you an idea of what I mean. See, you'll have photos of the war, different fortifications. Here, if we go to page 2, we have a letter from Robert E. Lee to the Secretary of War. So as a class, we could actually dig in and view this in a more personal way and come to our own conclusions as far as what General Lee was saying, and really get firsthand accounts and be able to develop our own interpretations of primary documents. The other thing I really like about DocsTeach is just all the activities that we have. The easiest way I find to pull them up is just to go to resources and getting started. And then we scroll down, and a couple of them that I really like are mapping history for one. So this is a tool that I'm just going to click on the Lewis and Clark expedition to show you. So basically what this allows us to do is we can read through a given point on the map, and then we can match a document to that associated point. So this one says, when the Corps of Discovery began their journey at St. Louis, Missouri, they knew they would encounter peoples to whom they would give gifts to win their favor. Move the document that mentions gifts here. So then we could go through, we could look at these documents further down here, and we could figure out which one was best associated with that and place it, just there in Missouri near St. Louis. So I could assign this to my class to help them, kind of spatially learn where history was taking place. Just be able to better contextualize it by, not only seeing the documents, but being able to attach them to a geographical point, which I find is really cool. Another one, if we go back to that getting started page, that I really like is weighing the evidence. And so this would be really great for a class discussion, just because I'm going to go with the immigration one, but it would allow you as a class to kind of have a discussion on, as it says, weighing the evidence. So each of these are documents in different positions on immigration, and we can either put them as, like an interpretation one does, pro-immigrant interpretations of the document, or kind of anti-immigration interpretations. And so we can take each of these and we could discuss as a class, is this strongly against or strongly for immigration, or perhaps somewhere in between. But just a neat way to have a discussion as a class and have that visual aid. But I highly recommend DocsTeach. It is awesome for social studies and even fun to just review on your own time. But check it out. Thank you.